This video will show you some directions and some demonstration on how to complete this assignment. So you see the same picture here as previous assignments about rights, but this one's going to be about something different, responsibilities. Remember, responsibilities are the things that we should do, but don't necessarily have to do. So if we don't do these things, we're not going to get in trouble or get put in jail or get a fine or anything like that. But these are things we probably should do. Like we talked about helping a neighbor that you see who has a lot to carry in from their car to their house. If you're friendly with that neighbor and you know that neighbor, it'd be a nice thing to help them. That's an example of a responsibility. So you're going to do something very similar on this assignment. You're going to scroll down. This time we only have 4 things that we have to match up. It says match each responsibility to the sentence that describes it. So you do the same thing here. This one says being respectful of others. So you click here where it says choose, and then pick the definition or the sentence that you think best describes being respectful of others. After you pick one, you go to keep our neighborhoods clean. Same thing, pick the one that you think matches it best. After you do that, you scroll down, and it says you just looked at 4 responsibilities you have in your community. You're going to write about the one you think is the most important. Pick the responsibility that you think is the most important. Describe why you think that is the most important responsibility for you to have in your community. So you'd scroll back up and you pick which one of these 4 things you think is the most important thing that you should have in your community. So it's your opinion. You can pick whichever one you want. You just have to make sure you pick it and then describe why you think it is the most important responsibility for you to have in your community. Okay? If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out.